Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we are back in Vegas after a road trip to the Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon and a drive along Route 66. Make sure you check those videos out. But now that we're back in Vegas, we're going to go a little bit west of the Strip and visit the Orleans Hotel and Casino, which is where we are today. And then we're going to go to the Palms, the Gold Coast, and the Rio Hotel and Casino before we head back to the Strip. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I caught a bus on the Strip at Tropicana Avenue. It took me about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to get here to the Orleans Hotel and Casino. I always have a bus pass. It's the cheapest way to get around Vegas. But if you decide to walk, it's only a 15-20 minute walk to get here. This is the Mentaly Buffet at the Orleans Hotel and Casino. They also have a Big Al's Oyster Bar, a Copper Wisp Cafe, a Andori Asian Kitchen, a TGIF Fridays. As far as fine dining, there's a Prime Rib Loft and an Alder and Birch Cocktails and Dining. And then they have some fast food also, like a Sbarro, Baskin & Robbins, Java Vegas, a Subway, a Rocky Mountains Chocolate Factory, and a bowling snack bar. Lots and lots of food options here at the Orleans. Coming around the corner here, you'll see Andori Asian Kitchen, and upstairs on the second floor overlooking the casino is Prime Rib Loft. This is Alder and Birch, a steakhouse also known for its cocktails. As far as shopping, the Orleans has a Landau jewelry store, a gift shop, and a liquor store. One of those just about covers all my needs. And I'm not in town to buy jewelry or gifts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. As far as entertainment, the Orleans Hotel and Casino has a Orleans Arena, a Bourbon Street Cabaret, a Century Orleans 18, a bowling alley, and an arcade for the young or the young at heart. By the way, going forward, most of my New York videos will include a shizzle clip. The majority of the shizzle clips will include amateur artists on YouTube that I find highly entertaining and talented. I don't know these contributors, but I just wanted to give back to the community. So if you see a shizzle clip card like the one above, click on it and check it out. Alrighty, we're on the outside of the Orleans now, and we're going to head north on Arville Street for about 2 or 3 blocks until we get to Flamingo Road. We're going to make a right on Flamingo Road, and the Palms Hotel and Casino will be right there on the right-hand side. And then we'll check out the Gold Coast and the Rio Hotel and Casino, and then head back to the Strip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.